In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Squarespace quickly and efficiently. Whether you're building a new website or updating an existing page, adding text is a fundamental skill that can enhance your site's clarity and style. So grab your device and let's get started. First, all you need to do is navigate to the Squarespace website. If you're not already familiar, Squarespace is a popular platform for creating beautiful, professional-looking websites without needing to dive deep into coding. Once you're there, you'll see that getting started is incredibly easy. A simple click on the Get Started button is all it takes to begin. This will guide you through the process, smoothly setting you up on the path to editing your site. Once you've clicked Get Started, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, if you're ready to start editing, look around for the Edit Site button. This is your gateway to customizing your web pages exactly how you imagine them. Clicking this button opens up a world of options and flexibility. Remember, it's all about taking control and creating something that truly represents you or your business. Now, the fun part. Let's add some text. To do this, locate and click on the plus Add Block option, one of the most versatile tools in Squarespace. You'll see a range of block options, so go ahead and choose text. This action will open up a fresh text block right on your page, ready and waiting for your words. With your new text block in place, click inside it and feel free to start typing. This is where your content will begin to come to life. Typing is just the beginning, though. You can do much more to make your text engage with your viewers. Once you have your content typed out, take a look at the text editor toolbar above your text block. This handy toolbar will help you style your text. Want to make a point stand out? You can bold it. Prefer to convey a softer touch? Try italicizing your words. Creating structure is a breeze as well, using headings to break up sections and guide readers through your content. This flexibility allows you to tailor your text to precisely fit your needs. Finally, there comes a moment of satisfaction when it's all set. Don't forget to click Save. This vital step publishes your changes, ensuring everything you've worked on is reflected on your live site. After saving, take a moment to review your page and appreciate how seamlessly your text integrates into the overall design. And there you have it. Quick and easy steps for adding text in Squarespace. Whether you're sharing a message, telling a story, or providing information, the text on your site is a powerful tool. By following these steps, you're well equipped to create compelling, organized, and beautiful web pages. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.